And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 64. Let me show you how you can remove a green screen. We go to video and then not basic, but remove background, remove BG, and there are 3 options. Open the drop down for chroma key and check the box. And when you left click on this eyedropper icon, you can just hover over the preview window and you can directly see the effect on the specific colors that are there. In this case, green, red, and white. And whatever you select then with a left click, it is going to get filtered out. So simply hovering over it gives you kind of like a preview. And if you left click, you see this color swatch right next to the eyedropper tool. And this indicates that the color is now set. So in simple terms, this feature removes the color. You have a couple of adjustment options because normally you get a little bit of a halo. See that here on the edge of the red button. There's also a cleanup edge, but that's a pro feature, so I'm not going to cover it for now. We're going to stick to the free CapCut version. And still, right where the cursor is, there is a little bit of a greenish halo, so you will not be able to filter it out perfectly. And in this case, we had a very, very clean green background to sample. Let me give you a different example. Here the green screen doesn't have good lighting, therefore it's a little bit harder to do. Let me sample a greenish color from down here. And you can see you could also hover over the shirt, which is then black, or the skin color, and even the whiteness in the eyes. But we want to have the green removed to get rid of the halo, or at least try to improve the results. We increase the intensity, and then try feather edge. Shadow won't help us much here. And you can see at some frames we still have these fragments. So this is where the cleanup edge would be nice to have. But once again, it's a pro feature, at least currently. But for basic green screen removal, this is the tool that you want to use, chroma key under video remove BG. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.